You finally took a break? These are so comfy, I didn't even notice I walked half the beach. You've been distant all day. I just needed space, not questions. Oh wow, those are cute, right? I'm obsessed. Where did you get them? Online, best random find ever.
They look handmade. Yeah, the braiding is what sold me. They go with literally everything I wear.
You're glowing today.
Maybe it's the beach or the slippers.
Are they actually comfortable? Try them, you won't give them back.
Best beach day in a while. And the best part? No sore feet.
Why aren't you having fun? I am just differently tonight. We didn't mean to push. I know, I just needed to slow down. You stayed? Yeah, I think I found what I needed. Right here.